Herbal medicine has been practiced for thousands of years, with each culture developing its own rich tradition of plant-based healing. While using individual herbs is powerful in itself, herbalists have long understood that combining herbs can often provide even greater benefits than using a single plant alone. This is because plants don't just have one isolated effect, they possess multiple active compounds that can interact in complex ways. When we blend herbs, we're tapping into the potential for synergy, where the whole is greater than the sum of its parts. In this video, we'll explore the idea of herbal combinations, how synergies work, and highlight some common blends that harness the potent benefits of pairing plants for wellness. Please note, this video is for educational purposes only. It is not intended to diagnose, treat, or cure any ailment, illness, or disease. Understanding synergy in herbal medicine. In herbalism, synergy refers to the concept that when two or more herbs are combined, their effects are magnified or enhanced in ways that they wouldn't be if the herbs were taken separately. Synergistic blends take advantage of the various properties of each herb to create a formula that addresses the body's needs on multiple levels. This concept of synergy is based on several key factors. Complementary actions. Some herbs have complementary actions that support the same body system or function. For example, pairing an anti-inflammatory herb with an analgesic herb can provide greater relief for pain than either herb on its own. Balancing effects. In some cases, a particular herb may have a very strong action that could lead to side effects if used alone. By combining it with a more gentle or harmonizing herb, the blend becomes balanced and well tolerated by the body. Supportive properties. Some herbs enhance the absorption, bioavailability, or effectiveness of other herbs. These herbs are often referred to as catalysts or enhancers and help boost the overall power of a formula. Holistic approach. Herbal combinations often address multiple aspects of a condition. For instance, a formula designed to help with stress might combine adaptogens to support the adrenal system, nervines to soothe the nervous system, and digestive bitters to improve digestion and nutrient absorption, which often suffers during stress. Examples of common herbal synergies. Let's dive into some popular herbal combinations, highlighting how they work together to provide a more comprehensive approach to health and wellness. Stress and adrenal support, adaptogens plus nervines. One of the most popular uses of herbal synergy is in stress management. The modern world is filled with constant stresses, and herbalists have long relied on blends of adaptogens and nervines to help the body cope. Adaptogens such as ashwagandha, Withania somnifera, rhodiola, Rhodiola rosea, and holy basil, Ocimum sanctum, help the body adapt to stress by supporting the adrenal glands and balancing cortisol levels. Nervines such as lemon balm, Melissa officinalis, skullcap, Scutellaria lateriflora, and passion flower, Passiflora incarnata, have a calming, sedative effect on the nervous system, reducing anxiety and promoting relaxation. When these two classes of herbs are combined, the adaptogens support long-term resilience to stress, while the nervines provide immediate calming effects. This powerful duo addresses both the body's ability to cope with stress and the symptoms of anxiety or tension that accompany it. Immune boost. Echinacea plus elderberry. For immune support, the combination of Echinacea, Echinacea purpurea, and elderberry, Sambucus nigra, is a powerhouse blend used for fighting off colds and flu. Echinacea is known for its ability to stimulate the immune system by increasing white blood cell production and activating macrophages to fight infection. Elderberry is rich in antioxidants and has antiviral properties that have been shown to prevent viruses from attaching to and penetrating healthy cells, particularly when it comes to the flu. Together, these herbs provide a multi-layered defense. Echinacea boosts the body's internal response to pathogens, while elderberry directly inhibits viral replication. This combination not only helps prevent illness, but also shortens the duration and severity of symptoms. Digestive health. Bitters plus carminatives. When addressing digestive health, combining bitter herbs and carminative herbs creates a powerful synergy that enhances digestion, reduces bloating, and relieves discomfort. Bitters, such as dandelion, Taraxacum officinale, and gentian, Gentiana lutea, stimulate the production of digestive juices like bile and enzymes, improving digestion and nutrient absorption. Carminatives, such as fennel, Phoniculum vulgare, ginger, Zingiber officinale, and peppermint, Mentha piperita, soothe the digestive tract and relieve gas, bloating, and cramping. The combination of bitters and carminatives creates a well-rounded digestive formula. Bitters kickstart the digestive process, while carminatives ensure smooth, comfortable digestion, preventing common issues like indigestion and bloating. Skin health, calendula plus gotu kola herbal combinations are also valuable in skincare, where healing, anti-inflammatory, and regenerative properties can be enhanced through synergy. Calendula officinalis, is a gentle, anti-inflammatory herb known for its ability to speed wound healing and soothe irritated skin. Gotu kola, Centella asiatica, is an herb famed for its ability to support collagen production, improve skin elasticity, and accelerate the healing of scars and wounds. Blending calendula's calming anti-inflammatory properties with gotu kola's regenerative power creates a potent skincare duo that addresses inflammation, speeds up healing, and supports overall skin health. This combination is particularly beneficial for conditions like eczema, psoriasis, and wound healing. Crafting your own synergistic blends. When creating your own herbal combinations, consider the specific effects you're hoping to achieve. Here are a few tips for crafting synergistic herbal blends. Identify the primary goal. Are you trying to calm the nervous system, support digestion, boost immunity, or address another concern? Start with the main action you want your formula to have. Choose a lead herb. Select an herb that has the strongest effect for your chosen goal. This will be the herb that plays the leading role in your blend. Add supporting herbs. Once you've chosen your lead herb, select herbs that have complementary or supportive actions. These can help balance the formula, enhance absorption, or provide additional benefits. Consider energetics. In traditional systems like Ayurveda or traditional Chinese medicine, the energetics of the herbs, heating, cooling, drying, moistening, are taken into account to ensure the formula works harmoniously with the body's needs. I will link a video to a more in-depth look at energetics in the description if you want to know more. Dosage and proportions. Not all herbs should be used in equal amounts. Some stronger herbs may be used in smaller quantities to avoid overwhelming the system, while gentler herbs can be used more generously. The power of herbal synergy, herbal combinations and synergies are an art form that has been practiced for centuries, allowing us to harness the full potential of nature's medicine. By combining herbs in thoughtful, complementary ways, we can address the body's needs holistically, improving health outcomes in a way that single herbs may not achieve. Whether you're looking to relieve stress, support digestion, boost your immune system, or heal your skin, blending herbs offers a powerful tool for enhancing the effectiveness of natural remedies. As you continue your journey into herbalism, experiment with creating your own synergistic blends and discover how these powerful plant combinations can support your wellness in profound ways.